Hey guys, I'm back again. I know it's been forever. I'm finally doing it. A video on how I do my makeup. It's just basically gonna be a watch me get ready type thing. Alright, to begin, I start with my eyebrows. I used to use the ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade, but it looked kind of ashy. Like I used to use the ebony one. And when I look back at pictures, my eyebrows are gray. So now I use the Morphe chocolate mousse brow cream, and it came like a whole kit for $18. Okay, so just brush out the girls, fill it in. LA Pro concealer in, the label isn't there, but I think it's nutmeg. I forgot to put on primer. I always forget that part. I use the Essence Mattifying Pore Primer. I'm gonna blend out the concealer with a sponge. I wanna start on my eyeshadow. So I'm taking my Essence eyeshadow base. So I'm gonna use, I like to use this one. A chocolate brown color. Eyeshadow base again and put that on my eyelid. I'm just gonna take any light, like if I'm going to like a party or something, I'll take a shimmery color, like a color. But just because I'm going just to see my friend, I'm gonna take like this nudish color right here. I'm gonna start my foundation. I use the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in Deep Cool. I'm just gonna take the concealer and put that underneath my eyes and like the highlights of my face. Set my foundation with banana powder. I think this is the Makeup Revolution banana powder. I'm gonna take a black eyeliner. Take that dark color I put in my crease and use that to blend out the eyeliner. Use the Essence Super Precise Eyeliner. I'm gonna put on some lashes. I have these natural pair of lashes. They're really tiny. And I had these big blinks. I think I'm gonna go for the big blinks. You wanna put on mascara too. I'm just gonna go straight with a white eyeshadow. Highlighter to highlight my face. So I'm gonna spritz my face and then use a powder highlight right on top. Oh, I forgot to add some blush. And then for bronzer, I also use eyeshadow. So I'm done with the makeup and now I'm just gonna do my hair and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I just finished taking out the braid. So I have to like separate it and like fluff it out. Ooh, this looks good. Okay, so now I'm done taking out my hair. I'm gonna line my lips with a brown and black lip eyeliner. Okay, after that's done, I'm gonna take some lip gloss. I'm gonna use, I think it's called Chocolate. It's like a brownie scent lip gloss by Crown by Brie, my roommate's lip gloss brand. Now I'm just gonna go get dressed. Okay, so I'm finally done. You know, the hair is looking good, the makeup is looking good. I just in love. Like, I never had a braid out so defined, because I would usually blow dry my hair and then braid it and then unbraid it, but now I just braided it and my hair got longer, so it looks better. See, like the curl pattern. Yeah, it's cute. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll definitely see y'all later. Once my Shein package come, I could probably do another shopping haul. If you want to see me do a hair tutorial, I could do that too. Okay, I gotta go. Bye.